Now from question number 16, find the probability that at most 5 defective fuses will be found in a box of 200 fuses if experience shows that 2% of such fuses are defective. So P equals to 2%, which will make it 0.02, N equals to 200, so mean lambda equals to 0.02 into 200, make it 4. So P of R less than equals to 5, so P0 plus P1 plus P dot 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 P of 5, which will make it e to the power minus 4 into 4 days 0 by 0 factorial plus 4 days 1 by 1 factorial plus 4 square by 2 factorial plus 4 cube by 3 factorial plus 4 to the power 4 by 4 factorial 4 to the power 5 by 5 factorial, which will make it 0.018 into 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 32 by 3 plus 32 by 3 plus 128 by 15, which will make it 0.018 into 583 by 15, which will make it 0.772. Now question number 17. The manufacturer of screws knows that 4% of the product is defective. If he sells the screws in boxes of 100 and guarantees that not more than 5 screws will be defective, what is the approximate probability that the box will fail to meet the guaranteed quality? So P equals to 4%, make it 0.04, N equals to 100, lambda is equal to 0.04 into 100 equals to 4. तो P required जो भी है P6 प्लस P7 प्लस P8, क्योंकि आपका P5 तक आपका गारंटेड है, तो मोर देन 5 जो भी आएगा वो आपका मतलब गलत माना जाएगा. तो P8 प्लस डॉट डॉट P100, which will make it 1 minus P0 plus P1 plus dot 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 till P5. 1 minus e raised 4 to the power 0 by 0 factorial plus 4 to the power 1 by 1 factorial plus 4 to the power 2 by 2 factorial, 4 to the power 3 by 3 factorial, 4 to the power 4 by 4 factorial, 4 to the power 5 by 5 factorial, which will make it 1 minus 0.018 plus into 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 32 by 3 plus 32 by 3 plus 128 by 15. 1 minus 0.018 into 583 by 15, which will make it 1 minus 0.772, which will make it 0.228. Question number 18. The standard deviation of a Poisson's variate x equals to root 3. Find the probability that x equals to 2 given e raised minus 3 equals to 0.0498. 0.0498. So given root lambda, which will meet standard deviation equals to root 3, so lambda equals to 3, taking squares on either sides. Therefore P2 is equal to e raised minus 3 into 3 square by 2 factorial. 0.0498 into 9 by 2, which will make it 0.2241. Question number 19. For a Poisson's distribution, 3 into P of x equals to 2 is equal to P of x equals to 4. Find P equals x equals to 3, taking e to the power minus 6 equals to 0.00248. So 3 into P of x equals to 2 is equal to P of x equals to 4. So 3 into e to the power minus lambda into lambda square by 2 factorial into equals to e to the power minus lambda into lambda to the power 4 by 4 factorial. The e to the power lambda cancel from both the sides and lambda square taken out from both the sides. The lambda square remain with 3 by 2 into lambda square equals to lambda square by 4, which will make it lambda square equals to 36. Further we can write lambda equals to 6. Hence P of x equals to 3 e to the power minus 6 into 6 cube by 3 factorial, which will make it 0.0024 into 36, 216, in fact 216 by 6. So cutting those two, make it 0.08928. 0.08928. Question number 20. Mean of the Poisson's distribution is 6.25. Find its variance and standard deviation. Lambda equals to 6.25. So therefore variance lambda equals to, which is also equals to lambda 6.25. Standard deviation equals to under root of variance is equal to under root 6.25, which will make it 2.5. Now question number 21. If 1% of the electric bulbs manufactured by a company are defective, and find the probability that in a sample of 100 bulbs, the number of defective bulbs will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Use recurrence relation of Poisson's distribution. Also find the probability that part 1 3 or more, part 2 between 1 and 3, and part 3 less than or equals to 2 bulbs will be defective. So for part 21, P equals to 1% equals to 0.01, N equals to 100, lambda is equal to 0.01 into 100, make it 1. So for part 1, P3 plus P4 plus P5, which will make it P to the e to the power minus 1 cube by 3 factorial plus 1 to the power 4 by 4 factorial plus 1 to the power 5 by 5 factorial is equal to 0.0613 plus 0.0153 plus 0.0031, which will make it 0.08. Question number 2, P2 e raised minus 1 into 1 square by 2 factorial, which will make it 0.368 by 2 factorial equals to 0.184. So for the last part, P0 plus P1 plus P2, which will make it e to the power minus 1 into 1 to the power 0 by 0 factorial, it is 0 factorial plus 1 to the power 1 by 1 factorial plus 1 square by 2 factorial, which will make 0.368 plus 0.368 plus 0.184, which will make it 0.92. Here the full exercise is completed. Thank you everyone.